Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is linkcenter.com. So you can see this is a website dashboard. Before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 72 and according to Moj the domain authority is 50 and the spam score is only 2%, and according to a link similar web, so this website having 33.7k monthly visitors and the mostly traffic from India, UK, USA, Pakistan and Australia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you want to increase crawlability and the audience, so most you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So this is the website dashboard and now you can see, so there is a submit a website button, you can click over there. And after that you can see there is no any option for the free, so but no issue, you guys will scroll something and you can see there now there is a optional apply for a limited free account including website submission and review other sites. So you can click for the apply button and there you guys can choose your location. And there you guys can choose your first and last name. And after that you can choose your email ID. Then you guys can add your username. There you guys can add your password. And after that you can add your company name. Then you guys can add your address. There you guys will add your mobile name, and there is you can add your Twitter ID, because from there you guys will drive traffic over your social media, no? So must you guys have to use. And after that you guys can verify your captcha, then you can click for the sign up button. Once you guys can complete these things, then this website can send you a verification email or the activation email over your Gmail ID. So you guys have to see we received it and now activate your account. So you can click over there and you will see your email has been confirmed, upgrade, submit or visit to your dashboard. Some recent customer feedback. So you can see so you can see once you guys can click to visit your dashboard, then you guys can redirect on that interface, you can see, and there you guys will add your website image, banner image for your business image. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And there you guys will see there is a basic account option and the public profile page upgrade. Okay, they can asking us for the upgrade our account upgrade. Okay, now need public profile. and there is option manage your dashboard. Yeah, so you can click over there. There you guys can add your website URL. And there you guys will choose your country. Then you guys can add your category. So our category is recruitment, employment and the recruitment. There you guys can choose your main targeted keyword. Okay, so okay, in the description section I have generated a description, fresh description, so I can going to use these things. There I have added, and the feedback section, nothing is important, so you may use a real name to display feedback. Yeah, submit a website for the review. So you can see we have added our one listicles on that website. So we created our profile, and now we have added a one listing over there on the linkscenter.com, and there is no any another information. So what we can do, if they can provide a view profile, and manage your listing, there you can see we have added one listing over there, and this is our status is, I guess this is live now, edit and post news. So there you guys will update your banner image. Country is US, category is this, only this option we can use. Yeah, you can click for the save, and let me check. Yeah, so you can see this is pending for approval now. So once your listicles is going to approve now, then you guys will able to see or use your landing page URL. Okay, let me check once if we receive any reviewed by editor before you can listing here. Okay, so you can see video interview software. This is our profile landing page URL. We received a profile, we having a profile landing page URL. Okay, so this is a process for the business listing on that website on the linkscenter.com. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. If you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.